Welcome to the Basement Hangout. Tonight we are gonna do some money-ass chicken thighs on the Weber Searwood rotisserie. It's an attachment you can buy separately. And actually there's a basket you can get on Amazon for 25 bucks that attaches directly to the rotisserie. And you can put chicken in there. We're gonna put the chicken thighs in that basket. They've been marinating for 24 hours using a very simple recipe that we'll go over. They'll cook for probably an hour and a half on about 400 degrees. Should come out money. Thanks to Bob for giving me this idea. Let's hit it.
Basement.
All right, so as I mentioned, we're doing a very simple recipe. As a matter of fact, you can just buy it at your local grocery store. It's McCormick Grillmates Mojito Lime. And all it is this packet plus 1/4 cup oil, 2 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons vinegar, and then your chicken. And I actually do 2 of these for 1 helping because I like extra flavor. You can see the ingredients right there. And all I did was put the chicken in bags. Now normally I do this in 1 bag, but of course I went into the pantry and we were out of the big ones. So I have them in 3 small bags. We're gonna go put them in the basket after we fire up the Searwood. Let's go do it. All right, so this is the rotisserie arm that I bought from Weber to go with the Searwood. I've been super excited about this because the smoke fire did not have this capability. I've already used it plenty, as you can probably see here. And so what I need to do now is I'm gonna just quickly mount it into the motor. Again, that comes with the rotisserie attachment. And I'm gonna now grab this basket. Bob pointed this out to me. It's, like I said, $25 on Amazon. And let's see if I can get this right the first time. So I'm just gonna slide this through there. And then we're just gonna dump the chicken in there after we fire up the grill. So right now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and start this guy up. And whenever you have your basket on for rotisserie, you're gonna probably wanna do either the manual mode, which is new for the Weber Searwood, or if you're gonna close it up, you're gonna just do the regular, set your temperature, close the lid and let it go. I'm gonna do the closed lid version. We're gonna set it at 425 degrees. We're gonna let it turn and we're gonna go. So I'm gonna set this to 425. Hit the start button, push the knob in, and there it goes. I forgot one thing. I gotta put this on the end here. Luckily, it's not hot yet, so no big deal. And there we have it. Close the lid, let that thing heat up, and once it's hot, we're gonna go get the chicken and pour it in. All right, so she's heating up. One of the things that I really like about the Searwood so far is compared to the smoke fire I had, which was the EX6 Stealth Edition, it was like 1,600 bucks before attachments. But I'll tell you what, I did not have consistent firing up in the beginning. There were times where I had pellets that were stuck in the auger, and I think part of that is because the auger was going up at a steep angle. On this one, the pellet box is a traditional one, and the auger's at the bottom, and the pellets are just going lateral into the smoke box, into the fire box. And I have so far been very pleased with the fact that I hit the start button on this thing and it starts going and it starts heating up. We literally turned this on like 3 minutes ago and we're at 135 degrees, moving our way up to 425. So this is gonna be a bit messy. I confess that I haven't done this yet. These have been marinating in that sauce overnight. And when I dump this in, a lot of juice is gonna flow down into the Searwood. Luckily, it's got a really nice management, ash and grease management system so far. We'll see if it holds up. So I'm just gonna turn this over and dump it. Whoa! just burned my glove off. Dump it in. That's a fail. So I totally forgot that this chicken is gonna be heavy. The last time I did this, it was only with chicken wings. So we gotta try to even this basket out. Lesson learned. All right, we got the first bag in there. All right, they're all in there. Now the question is, how to get this bad boy on. So we're gonna stick that on there. I think she's shut. Close these nice and tight so it doesn't move. Don't try this at home, folks. It's hot. Use oven-safe gloves if you're gonna do this. Hit this button here and get this thing turning. And those things are gonna tumble. The juice is gonna lock in over time. We're gonna get a crispy exterior. If doing the wings is true to these larger chicken thighs, I think they're gonna be amazing, but we'll find out. So that's it, let's shut it. All right, so we're about 30 minutes in, and I gotta say, just looking at these things, they're starting to get nice and golden, which is what we wanna see. It's looking beautiful. If I didn't wanna get salmonella, I'd just go ahead and eat them right now. But we're gonna wait for these things to be done because we choose life. All right, we're gonna do a quick temperature check. Let's open this guy up. We're gonna hit that stop button right there. And let's see where we're at. We're looking for about 165 to 170. Are we on Fahrenheit? No, we're on Celsius. We gotta change that. 143, 140, 153. So we got a little ways to go. I'd say maybe another 15 minutes. All right, so it's been about an hour and a half. I think we're pretty much done. Let's get a look at that basket. That's golden brown. Is that looking pretty or what?
That's looking really tasty.
That's looking pretty. Let's let it rotate one more time, take a last temperature. All right, what do we have here? Yeah, 176, we're well within range. Why is it moving backwards is my question.
Weight.
It's too much weight. Yeah, we're done, we're done. Okay, I need my hot hands gloves. Here they are over here. We're gonna leave the grill on just in case we need to come back and get these things back on. I think I'm reverse right now, so let me turn this back on. Get it turned over. That should just about do it. Now, I'm not gonna say this part's easy. How do we get this thing off? I mean, in the worst case scenario, they spill out onto the grill. That's okay. All right. This is enough chicken to feed a small army or a large family, depending on what you have. In my case, I've got the cameraman, AKA the producer, a wife, 2 kids, and a grandma to feed. We have more than enough here. It's looking good. And there it is. We're gonna go inside and check these out. The chicken is done. Let's give this a taste. First thing I gotta do is cut into this and make sure it's all done nicely. It looks beautiful. What do you think? Good to go?
Looks good.
Looks good. I am a ranch and hot sauce addict, so I'm gonna start with a dip. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. This is money. Give me that camera and you gotta give this a shot.
Taste it without the stuff first.
You gotta, you go ahead and do that for me. Come on, Donnie.
A little savory flavor.
It's hot. It just came off the grill.
Oh, it smells really good too.
Well, how does it taste? One thumb up, two thumbs up. Good?
Very good. Let's try it with some hot sauce and that's really good too.
Delicious? What does the dog think? Dog wants some, big time.
Want some?
Dog approves.
Little piece. Good.
All right. So I would say this has been a successful cook. The chicken is awesome. The basket works. The rotisserie works. Very crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, delicious. I recommend you get the rotisserie, get the basket. We'll have the links down below in the comments. $25 on Amazon. Do it. Nope. Oh!
Well, third time might not be a charm. It's too many cracked beers.
Nope.
Normally your money on this one, dude.
I know.
It's close.
Oh my God.
This is production, buddy.
I know.
All right.
Deep basement. All right.